So we just got back from Mustang Week, which Myrtle Beach Mustang Week was canceled, but I ended up going to Charlotte, having some fun, and while we were gone, got a little package in the mail here. Got the Mishimoto Upper radiator hose, as well as the 165 degree thermostat for in here. Hopefully those fans won't work as hard now. So we'll go ahead. As you can see, I got pretty much everything down to where I need it for right now to remove the old upper hose and thermostat and put the new one in. And then I'm gonna go run grab that thermostat real quick, and we'll be right back putting that upper radiator hose on first. Now we got the thermostat. I already managed to rip the box, so oh well. Whoops. This little thing comes with the O-ring and everything for the new one. We'll set that aside for now, because we're going to do the upper radiator hose first, just because it's easily accessible, and then we can move the coolant, pressure tank back into its original spot out of our way for the thermostat install. So, let's go ahead and take this out of the bag here. Really doing good today, guys. Can't even rip the bag open. So we'll take off this side, the spring clip. Pop that off with a little flathead. Slide it down. And go ahead, get that set up so you got open area to slide it on. And yeah, we're gonna end up losing this coolant. I already know it. There we go. Clip it in, and that's on there. Good. All right. Slide that back. And now for some coolant loss. Woohoo! Alright, there we go. So, go ahead, open that up a little, get it around the raised edge there, and boom. If I could only get the socket back. Come on, you little bastard. There we go. Alright. Upper hose is on. Got a little dirty, but looks a little nicer than the factory one there. And so we can go ahead and we'll put the degas bottle back on. Get that out of our way so we can do the thermostat and lose more coolant. So, now that we got the upper radiator hose done, we're gonna go ahead and do the thermostat. With that, you are gonna lose some coolant, so be ready. We got a nice gallon Mishimoto 50/50 premix synthetic coolant. It's good for just about every vehicle. So we got that on standby for when we're done. If you look down here, we got the hose just kind of feeding a little water down here to the belly pan. Oh, turned on even higher, not that high. Just want a nice little drizzle on the belly pan so that as this coolant drips out, it's just gonna go ahead and water it down. That way it doesn't ruin my driveway. And let's go ahead. I'm gonna do the bottom bolt down here. There's two bolts, one on the top, one on the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one first. That little guy, and that one is going to be an 8mm, which my little screw gun doesn't fit down in there, so we do have to use just a regular socket like regular people. You know, so sad. And then here we got new thermostat with the O-ring. honestly. First time I'm opening up the coolant system, so we're gonna have to see just where that O-ring goes, as I'm not quite familiar with it. Let's go ahead, we'll do this top bolt here. And as you can see, there's some coolant already, as expected. Go ahead. Come on. Alright. Come on, you little bolt. Get out of there. There we go. Number 2. And, alright, so there's our lower radiator hose. We're going to hold that. That way we don't lose too much. And, alright, ready? This ain't cool. Feels like it might be our little O-ring friend here. I'm actually going to use this the top radiator hose little spring clip. Pull that out and we'll hold the thermostat there real quick. So now that we know where that O-ring goes, set up the new one. O-ring goes on the top side here, and try and orient it the same way.